This is the Y-Pack by Topo Designs. It's our twist on a classic flat pack style. It's great for a weekend trip or a day hike, with plenty of space to customize as you'd like. The bag is made of 1,000 denier nylon fabrication. There is an exterior zippered compartment that features a key clip on the interior. There's a G-hook closure for the front of the bag, as well as 2 expandable water bottle pockets on the side. On the interior of the bag, there's a cinch closure. You can fit a lot of great gear in here. And there is a padded laptop sleeve that fits most 15-inch laptops. The back of the bag features padded backpack straps, a carry loop handle, as well as our Pack Fast travel bag attachment loops where you can attach your Y-Pack to your travel bag. This is the Y-Pack by Topo Designs.